so nervous. It's my first date. See you at the cafe soon.
Wait, you're telling me this entire AI movie was made for free? Yes. I created this complete long-form animated video using AI with the characters, voices, lip sync, background music, and everything you just saw. And the crazy part? I didn't create all of this manually. So before I show you exactly how I made it, I want you to
I'm
watch
so
the full
nervous.
result
It's my first date. See you at the cafe soon.
Hi, Mika. You look really cute today.
Thank you.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't be, I'm just happy to see you. Oh no, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry.
This date is full of surprises.
It really is.
I had such a wonderful time with you today.
Me too. I really enjoyed it.
Pretty impressive, right? Now let me show you exactly how I created this entire AI video, step by step, using free AI tools. So, let's get started. To create a complete long-form animated story like this, you just need to follow a few simple steps. First, we'll create our story. Second, we'll break the story down into individual scenes. Third, we'll create detailed character descriptions and generate reference images for our characters. Fourth, we'll generate images for each and every scene of our story. Fifth, we'll turn those images into animated video clips. And finally, we'll combine all of those video clips together to create our complete long-form animated story. So, let's start with the first step. First, simply open ChatGPT. Once you're here, give ChatGPT your story idea, just like I've done here. I've asked ChatGPT to create a complete 5 to 50-second story based on my concept, written as a single paragraph. Now, I'll simply hit enter, and ChatGPT will start generating the story for me. And here we have our complete story, ready to go. Now, let's move on to the next step, where we'll ask ChatGPT to break this entire story down into individual scenes. Simply enter your prompt and hit generate. And as you can see, ChatGPT has broken down my entire story into amazing scenes. And now, our story and its complete scene-by-scene breakdown are ready. So, let's move on to our third step, where we'll create detailed character descriptions for our story. I've entered my prompt and asked ChatGPT to give me detailed character descriptions that I can use to generate their images. Now, I'll simply hit the generate button. And as you can see, ChatGPT has given me complete and detailed descriptions for both of my main characters, the boy and the girl, including all the important details about their appearance. So, our character descriptions are now ready, and it's time to generate the reference images for our characters. Let's generate the reference image for our girl character first. Simply copy the girl's character description, open a new chat in ChatGPT, and select the Create Image option. Now, paste your character description here and hit Generate. ChatGPT will now start creating the image of our girl character. So, let's wait for the result and see how our girl character turns out. Alright guys, our girl character image is ready, and I've also generated the image of our boy character. And as you can see, both of our characters look absolutely stunning. Now, here's one golden tip I want you to remember. Most people simply use a single image of their character to create their entire video. And that's why, from one scene to another, the character's face or overall appearance can sometimes change. So, to maintain better character consistency throughout your video, I highly recommend generating multiple reference images of each character. Make sure you create different views, such as a front view, a back view, and a 3/4 view of your character. This gives the AI a much better understanding of your character's appearance and helps keep them more consistent throughout your entire video. Alright guys, now open Google Flow and click on the Characters option. Here, we're going to set up our characters and select their voices, so their appearance and voices remain consistent throughout the entire video. Now, simply click on the Upload option and upload the reference image of your girl character that we generated earlier. Once your character images are uploaded, click on the Select Voice option. From here, you can preview the available voices and choose the one that best fits your character. Once you've selected your preferred voice, simply click on Add to Character. And that's it! Your character's voice is now set, helping you maintain the same voice throughout your entire story. I did the same thing for my boy character, and now both of my characters are ready with their consistent voices. So, let's move on to our next step, creating images for each scene of our story. For this, simply head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a detailed image prompt for each scene of your story. And, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the image prompts for all of my scenes, so now it's time to create our images. Simply copy the image prompt for the first scene and head back to Google Flow. Here, paste your image prompt into the prompt box. Now, you'll see that only my girl character is available here. So, I'll select and upload the reference image of my girl character that includes all of her different views. Next, we'll adjust a few settings. You can choose the aspect ratio according to your requirements. I'll select 16:9 for my video. And for the output, I'll choose one image. In the model section, you'll find different options available. I'll select Nano Banana Pro for this. And as you can see, generating this image costs 0 credits, so we can create our scene images completely for free. Once everything is set, simply hit the generate button, and Flow will start creating the image for our first scene. Let's wait a few moments for the result. And here we go! As you can see, our first scene image is ready, and it looks absolutely amazing, just like a cinematic movie scene. Now, I'll repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes using their respective prompts. And now, all of our scene images are ready. So, let's move on to the next step. Turning our scene images into animated video clips. Before we start generating our videos, let's head back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a detailed video prompt for each scene, including the dialogue. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a complete video prompt for every scene, along with the dialogue for each one. Now, let's create our first video clip. Simply copy the video prompt for the first scene and head back to Google Flow. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and then upload the image we created for our first scene. Once you've uploaded the image, click on Add to Prompt. Now, let's make a few simple settings. Switch from image to video mode. For the aspect ratio, I'll keep it at 16:9, and I'll select one output. For the video model, I'll choose Veo 3.1 Lite. I personally prefer this model because it delivers high-quality results while using fewer credits compared to some of the other available models. Once everything is ready, simply hit Generate, and Flow will start creating our first video clip. Let's wait a few moments for the result, and here we go. Our first video clip is ready. Just look at how smoothly the lighting and camera movements turned out. The dialogue has been added automatically,
yourself,
along with the
Mika.
background music and lip sync, which makes the final result look incredibly polished. Now, simply download your video clip from here. I'll repeat the exact same process for all the remaining scenes, using their respective images and video prompts. And as you can see, all of our video clips are now ready. Now, it's time to combine all of these clips and turn them into one complete, long-form, animated story. So from here, simply click on the plus icon and select Add Clip. Now, I'll select my video clips one by one and click on Add to Scene. Let's wait a few moments for the clips to be added. And that's it! You can repeat the same process and add all of your video clips one by one to create your complete long-form animated story. So, that's how you can create your own long-form animated AI videos with consistent characters, voices, lip sync, and everything else, all with the help of AI. You can use this workflow to create your own animated stories and even build an entire YouTube channel around this type of content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Nexa AI for more AI tutorials, and let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.